What's up guys? So, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix Amazon reviews that are not showing up. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to amazon.com. Then sign in to your Amazon account. Next, hover over Accounts and Lists and open your account page. Scroll down until you find your content or your review history. Then open it to check whether your review is still pending. Keep in mind that Amazon reviews usually take 24 to 72 hours to be approved. If you recently submitted your review, it may still be under review. Also, make sure your review follows Amazon's community guidelines. Reviews that contain prohibited content or are submitted multiple times may be delayed or rejected. If you think it's a browser issue, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then refresh the page and check again. If your review still doesn't appear after a few days, it's likely still being reviewed or wasn't approved by Amazon. And that's it. That's how you can troubleshoot Amazon reviews that are showing up. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!